What is your name?
My name is John.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York.
What time is it?
It is 9 o'clock.
Where does it hurt?
On my knee.
Who is he?
He is a doctor.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What do you see?
I see a bird.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the table.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat burger.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is my bag?
It is on the table.
What is the weather like?
It is sunny today.
Can I play with you?
Yes, you can play with me.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is this?
This is a pencil.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Can I have some water?
Yes, here is some water.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
What are you wearing?
I am wearing a blue sweater.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Yes, I can ride a bicycle.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a horse.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
What is favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
How do you feel?
I feel happy.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat a sandwich.
Where are we going?
We are going to the park.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you have in your hand?
I have a ball in my hand.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English.
What are you holding?
I am holding a cup. Please like and subscribe Easy English channel.